Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, thanks for coming by. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe and turn on notifications. As promised in my last video, if it gets 50 likes or reach 50 likes, I will make a new video on how to improve your graphics in Assetto Corsa. I will also share my video settings with you guys. I will put the link of my video settings in the descriptions. I'll try to keep this video as short as possible, so let's get right into it, guys. Before we start, we need three things to improve your graphics in Assetto Corsa. Number one is the latest CSP, which is a paid mod. Number two is the latest Pure, also paid mod. And number three, a good PP filter. Now, when it comes to PP filter, guys, it is a personal preference. So if you already has one you're using that you like, you don't necessarily need to change it. So let's go. Head to Google. Let's open Google. And we type Patreon. Let's go to Patreon. I'm going to show you guys step by step. Please, guys, watch the whole video so you won't miss any of these steps. So you will have the same results that I want you guys to have. When you're on Patreon site, you look for Peter Boost, this guy. He is the one that makes the pure file. So, and this one, I don't know how to pronounce his name. I think it's Elijah Yusupov. And he makes the CSP. They are both paid mod, but it is only $1 or €1 depending on which country you are. As you guys can see, let me see, show less. It is $1. For $1, you get access to the pure file. So, and for the latest CSP, I think is the same. Yes, also same, €1. So the first thing we need to download, guys, is the CSP. So when you become a member, you get access to all the things that that he has made, or most of them, for that $1, which is plenty. May I add? Look for the latest CSP. This one is the latest ones till now. The last patch 0.2.4 preview 1 full zip. It has to say preview, guys, otherwise you won't have the rain mod. But don't download this one. If you download this one, it will download and you can install it, but for some reason, I don't know why, it won't let you use that version. So when you head to CSP or Content Manager and you go to Custom Shader Patch, it will tell you you won't be able to use this version. So instead of downloading this one, click on Show More, scroll down. This guy always put a link. This link will direct you to Content Manager. Just open Content Manager. It's gonna ask you if you want to. Do you want to install preview build? I already has it installed, so I don't need to just click yes and it will install. That's the first step, guys. Oh, I don't need to. When you download it and install it, to check it, go to settings, open Content Manager, of course, go to settings, custom shader patch, about an update, and you will see that it has indeed and successfully downloaded and installed. This is the latest one, 0.2.4 preview 1. So now we have to go download the Pure. So let me close this one, you don't need anymore. So the latest Pure, as you guys can see, is the 0.271. And you can find it, one moment, show more, there it is. Okay, scroll down. This. He always make two versions. You have the ones that for a little bit more high-end PC and for what lower-end PC. So depending on which PC or what your PC, which file your PC, sorry guys, can afford, you can download it. But when you download the file, if you have some problem, install it. If you scroll a little bit up, there is a link for YouTube. In this link, it will tell you detailed step by step how to install your pure file that you just already downloaded. So as you can see, it says don't try to install it with Content Manager because it won't work. Just watch the video and you guys would be good to go. When you download your pure file, head back to Content Manager to check if it has successfully downloaded. Head to Weather Effects and Custom Shader Patch. And if you can see by weather style, it will show you that the latest Pure has indeed been installed. Let's go to Assetto Corsa, to Drive, I think, yes, Drive. Head to Weather, and if you scroll down, you can choose again Pure. You will see that your Pure has been successfully installed. That's it, guys. That is, you have now downloaded the latest Pure, the latest CSP. If you have already, guys, a PPFILTER that you like or that is good for you, and your PC is running that good and without losing any frame rate, FPS, then you don't necessarily need to change it. But I use the C13H's PPFILTER. For me, for my PC, this is the best PPFILTER that I think personally is for my PC good, or for my setup. And if you guys can see, I retain 60 frame rates per second. So let's go in game. So let's open your Pure Config app. So most of these things you don't need to mess with them, or if you know what you're doing, then go ahead. But I'm going to show you guys what I know and how I make my videos to look great, or for me they are looking great. So I hope you guys are liking them too. So let's start with light, because on main and AI you don't need them to change your graphics. So don't mess with them. So as you guys can see, I have almost everything on default until the CSP lights. On the CSP lights, for a long time I didn't have it right, but I changed it because every map and every track has their own light, their own color. So you have to just play with it and look for yourself, or what your PC can handle, and that way you will find the perfect line, or where it really good for your PC, or the way you want your picture or your thumbnail or your videos to be. So just play with it, look for yourself. If you guys can see it now, sadly, but I will always be between 58 or 57 to 60. But the more you change those things, the more your FPS, depending on your PC again, will change too. It will drop or it will rise. So keep that in mind. If you want to, you can pause and copy mine. But I recommend you guys, because I don't know which system or what kind of system you guys have, I recommend you guys, even though you copy them, copy my settings, play with your own look, what is best of good for your PC. And that is the way that you make your Assetto Corsa look great, or even better. Night, you don't need the night. Sky, I will come back to sky. I'm going to show you guys why you would need sky, but otherwise no. Clouds, I changed clouds, put it on 0.950 and 1.290 because on default it looked like this, but for me it is too, I don't know, too bright, so I change the brightness and contrast a little bit. So it depends. It really depends on what you have, of what you want. If your PC can handle it, if your graphic card can handle it, yes or no. So for your PP filter, for some tracks or map, like I said before, they have different color, different lighting, different sun level, different saturation. So if you think that some of those tracks that it hasn't enough color, you can add a little bit of color, but don't put too much, otherwise it's going to be like this, and you don't want that. Believe me, it's awful. The same for the bright. If you think it is a little bit darker, you can make a little bit bright, but don't add too much, because as you guys can see, everything disappear. So just play with it and see what you have or not. But I don't mess with them most of the time. So for night, now we're going to night. I'm going to show you guys why would you need night, or when. If you're playing night, I don't know if you guys have seen those videos with the Galaxy Sky Dome. So open your Pure Planner, put it to nighttime. It doesn't matter which time, as long as it's dark. Choose no clouds. I choose no clouds. You go to your Pure Planner, your Pure config file, and choose install. Instead of default, put it to astrophotography. So you guys can see now there are stars. Now you open your photo mode app, and then go to scene and change the lighting angle. And as you change the lighting angle, as you guys can see, there it is. You can change it, put it wherever you want. So right in front of you, there's the Galaxy Sky Dome. Now in your Pure config file, go to Sky, and this is the only way I use Sky. Otherwise, I don't use it. Let me turn the lights off a little bit. So, and now you can change the color or the brightness of your Galaxy. So let's change first the color. It's so like, I don't know, yellowish. It is the brightness, and you can keep changing green, whatever you want, purple, dark red. So just play with it, and like that you make your Galaxy Sky Dome. But apart from this, I don't know why you would need to mess with the skylight levels. So let's go now to that making of that thumbnail. That's the only way you would need, guys. Let's see. Add back, put it back like it was. Oh. If you guys hear that, I apologize. My iPad is sometimes go crazy. So open your Pure Planner, put it back, add some clouds, and there it is. Now, if you want to make like a thumbnail for your video, and you see sometimes they have that really amazing, beautiful, what you call it? Yes, I don't know, thumbnail. So I'm going to show you guys. Let me see. You guys can see because I have two screens, but I'm going to show you guys what I mean. As you guys can see, or hopefully yes, you guys can see now. So this is the thumbnail of my video that I have made. You guys will see 3 or 4 different sky dome. So the one blue, the one with the purple, the one with the yellow and ish something, and the Galaxy. So if you want to make or put your sky dome like this, I'm going to show you guys how to make that. It is real simple and real easy. Just open your Pure Planner. You have to put it right before sundown, right before, so like 5:50 or 5:40, 45, 47, something like that. As you guys can see, I just changed it and it is like this already, and I haven't done nothing with change it yet. I just changed the time. So if you want to, I mean, like make it whatever color you want to, just change the angle. If you guys can see, there it is. You have now the yellow, and if you want to add more color to it, open your pure config file and go to your PP filter adjustment and change it within saturations. But as I said again, guys, don't give it too much color, otherwise, yes, you have that. And believe me, you don't want that. It's really awful. So you can mess with it a little bit, but don't mess with it too much. Just, you can make it whatever you want. You can make it darker, a little bit brighter, put some color on it, less colored, more colored, bluish, yellowish. Just make it the way you want to. And if you want to change like the scene, like you saw before on the thumbnail, just change the clouds. Really simple. That's it, guys. Just change the clouds. If you change the clouds, like broken clouds, you're gonna have this one. Open your photo mode again, guys, and change the angle of the lighting. There you have the yellow one and the purple one. Again, pure planner. You can look the scatter one. I think, if I'm not wrong, this is the purple period, purple-ish wrong. So there it is. Just like that, you can make your video look really, really great, guys, and you can make really great thumbnails for your videos. So the only thing you have to do, just sit down one day and play with the pure config file and your pure planner. Most people, they download these things, but they don't make use of them. I mean, really 100% make use of them. You have to squeeze every inch of them. You will get it one time wrong, but if you keep use them and figure out and play with them, eventually you will be where you want to be, or like the way you want your videos to be. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, I hope it wasn't really, really long. If it was, I apologize. But if this video helped you in any way and you like it, don't forget to drop a like, smash the subscribe button. I mean, you really like smash it. I mean, like, break that thing. And leave a comment telling me how you guys, what you guys think about the video, and how your Assetto Corsa it's looking now. That is the most important question. Did this video help you, Assetto Corsa? If not, let me know in the comments and we will figure out something together. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Let's go!